our channel. How are you all? I hope you are all doing great. It's been almost a month since I started this channel, and I am sure you might be having so many questions about who I am and where I am from. So I thought this is the right time to make an introduction video, and I collected few questions from internet. So I'm going to read one by one, and after this I am sure you will get to know me much better than now. So the first question is, what's my name? My name is Shakira, so that's why I named my channel Shakira Vibes. So my name is Shakira. Where do I live? What is my native place? Currently I am living in Hyderabad. My native place is one small town called Khammam from Telangana. Just before my marriage we moved to Hyderabad, and then after my marriage we moved to USA, and couple of years back we came back to Hyderabad, and now we are settled here. What do you do for living? Till couple of years back I used to work in an office as team lead for customer support, and after that I resigned my job and I started my YouTube channel in my native language. I'll give the link in description box if you are interested, which is in Telugu, and in that channel I mostly show shopping blogs, like which is the best shop in Hyderabad, which is a budget friendly shop, like if there are any exhibitions here, all those kind of things. So now I am full-time YouTuber. I have started Shakira Vibes channel 1 month back, so I am completely occupied now, and this is my profession. So I'm a full-time YouTuber now. And qualification. Before my marriage I finished my graduation in science, and then we moved to US and I didn't get chance to finish my PG. Then after coming back to Hyderabad I did my MBA in marketing from Osmania University. And what's your favorite food? My favorite food, if I have to pick something different from Indian food, then I would pick Mexican and Chinese. And in Indian food I like chaats, dahi puri, pani puri, and bel puri, ragda chaat, samosa chaat. Oh my god, I love chaats. I love street food a lot. If you keep something very great, delicious continental food this side, and if you give me chats, and I would pick chat items. So I just love them. And the next one is, what's your favorite color? My favorite colors are 3: black, white and yellow, and those are my forever favorite colors, and they are very good as combinations also. Black and white is great as a combination, and yellow will give you that brightness, it shows on your face if you wear yellow. So that's why I like these 3 colors, black, white and yellow. And what are some of your bad habits? So many. I have so many bad habits. I don't know which one to tell first. Biggest bad habit is, I think a lot. So much. If situation is going in a negative mode, I think so much that I further spoil the situation. So I think a lot, I imagine a lot. So that's my biggest bad habit. It's a habit because it's been going on for years. I'm trying to change it, working on that. And the next question is, last book you read? I love reading books, and I'm planning to make one library at home. I collect nice books, and I'm literally making shelves of books. So last book I read was Becoming Michelle Obama. Very nice book. It's really good and inspiring. And favorite subject in school? Science. I loved science. I was so scared of math. I shouldn't be telling it on camera, but I was scared of math, and I really loved science. And what app do you use the most? Obviously YouTube is the most used app in my phone. Before this COVID, when I was working, I used Uber a lot, and nowadays I think we are all at home. Most of the apps I use are shopping and food, Amazon and Swiggy, and then third place goes to Uber whenever I go for shoots. So those are the apps I use almost every day. And if you could give one advice to your younger self, what would it be? Very interesting question. If I get a chance, I would have given so many advices. One advice would be, Shakira, don't think this much. Don't take this much pressure. Some things are not in your control. So just chill, enjoy your life. So that's the advice I would have given, because my younger self was a big worrier. I used to worry a lot from school to college to office. Like whenever I need to take one decision, I always think like whether I'm taking good decision or not. What if something goes wrong? What if I'm choosing the wrong side? All these things. Actually, now also I'm like that. I'm trying to change that habit, but I wish I could have changed when I was younger. So the next question is, why YouTube? Yeah, very interesting question. I used to work in different offices since I was in teenage. I worked in different positions as well. I enjoyed my work life, but as we are growing, we look for something else. Like even I was feeling something was missing. I wanted some challenges or something new. Then I thought, okay, let's start YouTube. Let's start as a hobby. Let me see how it goes. Then I started. At that time, I didn't know how to edit, how to make thumbnail, nothing. I just wanted to go for it because I like trying new things. I like challenges. So I went for that. I started at a smaller level, like let's see how it goes kind of mode, but it went well and I'm really enjoying it. Now I feel like it suits my personality very well. So that's why YouTube, and now I am full-time YouTuber. What is your vision for your channel? Very good question. I believe that our vibe attracts our tribe. So I would like to meet same kind of people who share my interests and my kind of life. I usually lead very calm and organized kind of life, and I derive pleasure, I derive happiness from organizing home, doing simple things at home, cleaning home, even decluttering, cleaning and cooking. These small things give me a lot of happiness. So I want to meet same kind of people who match with my vibe, and I would like to show how my work will be, because I'm very calm and organized at home, but when I work outside as a shopping blogger, it would be completely different. It is completely social side, and I go to some random shops, I meet some random people, I talk to new people, and I travel every day. So it would be very interesting to watch. So in one vlog, I'll show you how I go for work and how I deal with things there. So I'll be doing interesting vlogs, and I want to meet new people, and I would like to enjoy this journey. So that is the vision right now. So that's it for today, guys. I hope I have cleared all your doubts about me. I have given almost all information about me. So that's how it is, and please give a thumbs up if you like what I do, and if you haven't subscribed to me yet, please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.